Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, so new all-time highs on Wednesday, 31.55. They brought it back in. They gapped it down right on the Wednesday reopen. We were open half a day yesterday, but it's all trade day today. So it's all trade day Friday, so there really is there's no Thursday session to speak of. It is a half a day today, and we've just been knocking around between the 31.41, its initial push down, and we're currently trading 48.5. We've traded as high as 55 in this session as well. So two looks at 55, both of which have kind of been, pushed off a little bit. And my thought really is it's easier to see on the hourly. So you see the all-time high at 55. They reprinted it right at the open. Then they gap it down. They take it all the way to 41. And then really we just kind of ground yesterday. Little move up into the close. They closed down Globex. They opened it up last night. They come back into 42. So kind of retesting this 41, 42 area. So really two looks there. And now we're trading in at around 48.5. So for me, the delineator today, the bull bear, 41, 42. Okay, 41 to 42, you want to be long above, you want to be short below. If they can get above the 51.5 move, which is where they opened up the reopen at Globex on Friday, if they can get over that, then retesting 55, retesting the Wednesday close is pretty reasonable. If they can get above that on a half-day holiday Friday, and there is enough, lack of interest to really fight it, then you kind of see the shorts fade away and things just kind of bleed to the upside, and we kind of end up, finishing the way we finished Wednesday right before Thanksgiving with a move to new all-time highs. If the bears want to be part of this conversation, if they want to give everybody something to think about heading into Sunday, you break 41.42, you go back down and you take a real hard look at something like, 31.30 to 31.25, this daily pivot support from back on Tuesday, and see if you can do anything there. But look, until the bears convert levels that matter and trade down on a sustainable basis, you are going to continue to see new all-time highs, and you can either be with the trend and make money, or you can get dragged behind the bus with everybody else kicking and screaming, and that's going to affect your account in a negative way. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. There'll be more stuff out on social. Come check out the room. Still traveling. Back next week. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you on Monday.